The Snack is our favorite pocket-sized yo-yo of 2019, which is why we included it in our yo-yo buyer's guide. If you're looking for a yo-yo that can handle your best tricks but still fits pretty easily in your pocket, the Snack may just be the yo-yo for you. Now, the reason we love the Snack so much is that it has found a way to thread the needle between the two problems that often come up when you make an undersized yo-yo. First one is it could be too light, in which case it won't be great for doing really difficult tricks. On the other hand, if you make a small yo-yo too heavy, it'll feel a little bit too dense and sluggish, and then it won't be fun to play with. The genius of the Snack is that they found a way to make it feel like a full-size yo-yo, even though it fits easily in your pocket. Now, because of its smaller size, the Snack might not be the first yo-yo that you go to when you're learning new tricks, but once you've begun to master a trick, you're going to be really impressed with how easily you can hit it with the Snack, which is probably why it's going to be your go-to throw anytime you leave the house. Now, we actually like the Snack so much that we invited the founder of Recess International out to come and film a series of bite-sized tutorials with the Snack. He actually filmed those with our exclusive Yo-Tricks Edition color, and those turned out really great. Now, of course, the Snack is an unresponsive yo-yo. It does come with a center track bearing, which is a bearing that we really like. It also has a really nice, soft finish, which is excellent for grinds. So like we said, even though it's a small package, it's great for a huge variety of tricks. Now, as always, if you would like to learn more about the Snack, you can always read our full written review, or you can always just pick one up and try it for yourself.